escapes from police custody, massive manhunt launch. Manipur CM launches fair price of FPS automation system. And child-friendly police stations opened at Thoubal district. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. It's me, HARIPRIYA, presenting today's news, and now let's have the news in details. An Asian IM cadre has made a daring escape from the Imphal police station lockup in the wee hours today. Self-styled Private Thailik Panmei, aged 23 years, son of Paulumlung Panmei from Townsing village, escaped from the police station around 3 am, sources inform. He is currently under remand in the custody of the police station. Following the incident, police launched a massive manhunt in suspected areas to nab the escaped Asian IM cadres. The police searched Jaskul Police Lane and Kaisamthong Khul near Imphal police station, sources said. Manipur Chief Minister Nongthong Bambirin stated that distribution of rice to the beneficiaries using biometrics will ease the doubt of the public. Speaking at the launch of fair price of automation at the CM bungalow today, Biren further said that the government has been planning this for a long time. The price of will check all unlawful activities while distributing rice under National Food Security Act. There are a total of 5,69,688 ration cards holder in the state, and of these, 23,87,949 are AAY and priority households. 1,31,632.45 quintal of rice is allocated monthly for the state under NFSA, he added. The Chief Minister stated that such system would bring transparency and streamlining the distribution of PDS items to the beneficiaries. Under this fair price of FPS automation system, fake and bogus ration cards would be easily identified and minimize the leakage in the distribution of PDS items, he added. He mentioned that beneficiaries will get the food grains through EPOS, electronic point of sale device with proper authentication like Aadhaar or OTP. At the event, Deputy CMY Joy Kumar, Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam, Forest Minister T.H. Shyam Kumar and Agriculture Minister V. Hankalian were also present.
High-level beneficiaries in Sina, fair price shop, Sindisa Satlakanda, Moy biometric. अखोगी गवर्नमेंट की ऑफिस सिंग द करीदा तौरिबा अखोई प्रेजेंट की नम्मगा तौरिबा सुमाइना मागी खुबी जि तक तक नम्म कांदा मसागी शेयर रु फंगबा यारने अदुना मदुना अखोइना डुप्लीकेसी अदुगा अतोपा मीन्स अमन तौरकांदा लीकेज तौननबई खुदोंग चाबसे पीदना बहोनबने अदुना अहान बगी ओइना अखोई मफम तरादा अखोई ngasiगी लॉन्च तौबसि मफम तरानी मदु होरेन आई राइट अप ओइना मयामदा details in a pizza again. Other state Pumbal in a cover to go in. Aduna Mashi systems, Haurubanina, Nahangay, Equi, Government, the Laseramba, Aduka Praja Mayamda, Sing Pangina, Dragafangde, Suna Fangde, Kai, Kate, Wati, and Toromusingo, Madugi streamlined over Namagani, Hyper, Madugi Messias, Potuni, Aduna Huzia, Madugi demonstrated Kara. Okay, beneficiary Kara, the Quipin and Batozage. Madu Mediagi Manupang in a cover to Viraga Mayam the awareness winner, Sandok Pinanava, Kangan Binanava Apple Tokjeri.
As an initiative to spread more awareness about men in uniform to the children and conduct police interrogation according to the comfort zone of juveniles, 6 child-friendly police stations were opened today in the presence of Chairperson of Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights, MCPCR, Nonibla Naringbam, and Superintendent of Police Dr. S. Ibomcha at Thobal Police Station. In this regard, Dr. S. Ibomcha said that the step has been taken under the directive of government. He added this initiative will help children in differentiating rights and wrong, besides bridging the gap between police and juveniles.
Sugumba tawraga sima punishment phangani adaga police su mini na koi garjani haba se kunna bidam tangang ji koi gen khangan dana bagi mong da koi misi chacha pani koi na chang khoda ngang ri hongna koi police ka koi public relationship hana ba ngang ri tamhoraga ding chawra kanda police ta operation piba aduga lo se kari no se khanga bidam ta koi chacha
Chairperson of MCPCR Suniti Bala Ningjam stated that child-friendly police stations were being introduced to create a friendly environment within the police station so that children feel respected and safe while coming to the police station for any related case.
Police ki constitutional duty singa se tawbada any kind of crime angangi marilay na ba any kind of kaino singa kogi marilay na ba thabak sing se lakpa matamda akogi yamna laina yamna chamba yamna phajaba mong da yamna athuba mong da thabak kudi mak lokhat pangamagani habise ai thajaba.
Former MLA RK Annan has urged all political leaders to stop infighting for powers. He said these to reporters during an inspection visit at different places of Naria Pakanglakpa constituency today. He described as unfortunate that the present Manipur government was ignoring key issues like Citizenship Amendment Bill, KEEP, Indo-Naga peace talk, border issue and the current drought-like situation facing the state. Annan also believed that precedent rule may be imposed in Manipur if the current political crisis persists.
Violate or serious violations then lowi masi akoi streamline tong no hon of the sahi ani khare hen hype tai let the elected work, let the government officials function in elected say koi MLA OBI lady mayam sings no work to visu mai mathau ne aida koi su yaringe dia koi su interfere or torok te hype tai do ngasi di this very day sahi ani hel ko si di so complaints spam lak panu marga masi tawum thok pra wa fan du khalaga swai si da koi intervene tawraga koi streamline to thopa sum thopa chumgane ha bise sia koi punam ki wa khalol ne ha wa fan du ni ana ina press so haijam si matang na PDS matang da distribution gi oba timing la kum matam da aina mayam da haijaning si maro ina cheng yen biri ba agent khangde ama khangde mayam da ina thamjaning se I'll take personal interest lojagani Seeing Yenba Matam the Prajada Pazani Yoribanium some Yoribs here. Surprise visit and hype. If necessarily duly informed Torga, sport inspection toward Tangai Pedragadi, I sound Yaga, pressing Yobi Resimams is justice program one of the Matin Pangbi, I say to Mediagi, Islausin, the electronics key and print in the Islausin Zapil Tojariba.
RK Annan said that the infrastructure in the Naria Pakanglakpa constituency is now worse, as many roads in the area are not properly maintained. He also expressed concern about the plight of the residents.
CM in government no party na do in have Yamsarang of America quick in the Toki have the June 18 the Toki Yamsarang period near the Quine Toki the hype taragadi, Matam the political stability later. Amaga power struggle gi oi wapam lakma tam madugi full advantage si matam le central government no lauruga oi PR laki PR la matung da ni kuina ceasefire in without territorial limits in laki wase avana madu laki matam Manipur miyam gi assembly warep ki wang matam Manipur miyam gi demand declaration gi mayok to laki miyam sing si PR la kanda Toki bigi ke number lesa bitterness nama koi da leo bi hai batai da koi masi lei situation se masi center the BJP na pai koi state su BJP na lead over koi coalition government ni ana koi da filter already as a politician hai batai dagi MLA moina koi da filter already bazar filter jo hai bazai sium yam sarang na marks da sium thoning da ba PR na chingba yam na koi na koi di yam na harmful over political development laktan PR laktar agadi koi na Manipur miyam na ngasi legitimately elected government na ma gi through the koi Manipur miyam gi aspiration Manipur miyam gi demand miyam sing se koi na resist tobung amne koi thengna bang amne khamna miyam sing se si political sarang na basina leiragadi PR guma laktar de ma se koi apam bai mayok lakna ha bise koi ningsang mi na changi ha bitu ni aina thamjaning is
Hairok Block Congress Committee has denounced the Director of Education S and ZEO, Thobal, for attending at a meritorious award distribution ceremony organized by a political party on July 7 at Hairok. Addressing a press meet held at the Manipur Press Club, President of Hairok Block Congress Committee, Thokchom Ranjan, asserted that signature given by the director on the meritorious certificates with the name of a political party is a violation of All India Services Conduct Rules 1968. He maintained that the awards given to meritorious students of class 10 and 12 from Hairok constituency is welcome. However, Director of Education S. Thokchom Kiran Kumar and ZEO Thobal attending the ceremony as guests of honor not only violates service rules of government employee but also questionable. Saying that it is wrong to sign certificates issued by a political party, Ranjan added that no government employee should participate in political related functions. Urging the Director of Education S to clarify the matter, the President of Hairok Block Congress Committee stated that the committee will take a decision initiating action against the Director for misconduct.
Sagi meritorious award piraga moi pungning thogalaga angang singdugi encourage to bibane haraga lan na pot amadi angang singdugi concept tungi lambida mogi concept da lan sakhi da pot amadi lehelle maramdi government ki employee mana service leba mana political party ke mari leine de have se rules se angang singdi khangja ponte madu poto sida certification sakhi oraga director department of education S Manipur hana amat tharame sina maram oraga angang singdugi wakhan do karino la mogi wakanda lana zakhi bai keno ma legadaw reba sida kari gumba mana soi tori basi yai hana mana masana khanbi taragadi mama sahab si education director si BJP da ma enroll tawrabra party ki certificate mana soi tori si ma party di yawrabra sina ina jani sina mum education director da aduna siguma thabak se masina koi samaj da lana chalan bai keno ma miyanga ma adum party ki campaign da ma si yausile haibagi pot ama lakadorni patang sida aduna si poside koi yamna nuai da ba kano mane aduna masigi si education director na yam thuna sengdon bado sendokpi bado adu koi pamjai.
Let's take a short break, but coming up, all Meitei Pangal Students Union protests against irregular staffs locks the primary health sub-center. More after the break.
Saraswati Coaching Institute, Chingmairong Khongnang Karak Infal. Admission open. Class 11 Science Foundation Course 2019. Starting of class 15 July. Medical Regular Course for NEET UG 2020. Starting of class 15 July. NEET UG Successful Candidates for 2019. Sanalu Gangmei, Wardo Dilbung Lamkang, Muhammad Nashiruddin Sa, L. Yohenba, Nima Naurem, Kate Stela Devi, Narosa Chabungbam, Chandan Larin Lakpam, Supriya RK, O. Philip.
Gitam University Visakhapatnam da BSc Nursing amadi MSc Nursing in NPCC gidamak female candidates singna admission to bibi yaragani. Campus manungda masagi hospital laizaraba medical college ni. Room amada mahiroi ani khaktamak leiba lift facility yauraba amadi yamna hygienic oiraba hostel yauraba campus ni. MSc Nursing the admission fanglaba mahiroi singda tha khudingi stipend oina lupa lising tara fangani. Tuition fee structure BSc rupees 30,000 per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. First to fourth year same fees. MSc Nursing in NPCC fees rupees 1.5 lakh per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. Eligibility BSc Class 12 pass, Physics, Chemistry, Biology and English 50% in aggregate. Manipur gi mahiroi singi oina entrance test yaudana direct admission tawbiba yagani. Subnataki seat 15 khaktani. Akupa marol gidama contact tawbirau Educare Zone near Bosem Babupara, phone number 600-90-62261 natraga 87-940-26277.
Welcome back. Irate members of all Meitei Pangal Students Union of Manipur locked the Primary Health Sub-Center Lilong Mayai Lekai in protest against irregular attendance of staff leaving the health center in defunct state. Speaking to the media, Union President Rasid MM said that only a few staff members were present at the Primary Health Center when the union members inspected it on July 3. He said that the union earlier had a meeting with the CMO Thaubal and MO CHC Lilong over the issue of the health center. Rasid reviewed the current state of the PHSC while urging the concerned authority to look into the matter concerning lack of infrastructure at the health center.
Registered sign to Silamba Suka Karakana, Dumama Theatre, Media Gitonda, like I'm Yango Toroga, good and Boda, office the Mamsana Lapidina, some Matoma Sakana Tabu, like I give Makono Converia, the Tower of Taushing Todana, Miamna, Awama Salanga, Levasi, Langan Migan Matoma Sakan, Kanata, Havotangasiboda, Torokre, then and Horangasi debt and Kogi, like I Miam Torogama, Kogi, on I sense Toroga, office solo and Sensavan. Masida Marina and about Hortina Kamohana, Kogi, Dr. Lakima Samo, Emo in Sasso and Mafusi Puzamni, along Makalakaida, Community Health Center Makada, so PICC like Javani.
National Highway 37 Surveillance Committee has warned of intense form of agitation if the National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation fails to improve the condition of Jiribam-Kaithel-Manbi stretch of National Highway 37 within 7 days. This was stated by Chairman of the committee, Singamlung Dangmei, during a press meet held at Manipur Press Club, Imphal today. He added that the situation along the National Highway 37 Imphal-Jiribam road has worsened due to the recent landslides and poor drainage system, resulting in frequent mishap and other inconveniences.
Landslide over housing Nongzuthanina, landslide over Mapamda, Makoina, landslide over Levak Mayamse, Kotok Pidre, Adum Garishe. Satpa Yabagi Kata Adum Kotoga Adum Gari Satla Lade, Lambi Hanga Latre, Ashishima Atuba Matamda, Hangan Bio Hyper, Iquinatamzini.
State Agricultural Management and Extension Training Institute, Department of Agriculture, Manipur hosted a training program on the theme Climate Resilient Agriculture for Ensuring Food Security at the Farmer Training Hall of Directorate of Agriculture Department located at Sanjentong, Imphal. Speaking at the event, Director in charge of Agriculture Department, E. Subhas, said that farmers must upgrade their ways of productivity skills according to the changing time. He also drew the attention of farmers on growing crops based on the climatic factors of the state. Around 60 farmers attended the training program.
Drought se huzimaki oina koi officially lauthopa leitri kaino da koi parameter khara kaino ta goda wasi kaino ta udrimna officially koi drought lauthoe haibadi leitri adu bai koi gi koina department na khara pakhat sabda koi huzik lohon koi community nursing da koi gi mafam mari da chauba koi hectare phanyamna tharaga koi hectare chahumga amada ko koi gi lohon pinaba koi huzik thorang tawba hujare koi ngasi dagi koi field da staff mayam chalaga koi gi huzik lohon gi keno je tawna bai koi adugi thabak paikhatpadi hujagre.
Teaching and learning methods TLM kits were distributed to around 47 differently able persons at Manipur Press Club, Imphal today. The event was organized by National Institute for the Empowerment of Persons with Intellectual Disabilities jointly with State Commissioner for Persons with Disability, Government of Manipur and Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons, Manipur. Giving the chief guest speech, Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam said that the basic quality for any human is the love for another human being. If we cooperate and encourage the differently able, they will not be disheartened, he added. He further stated that the differently able person cannot be left behind in the development of the state. He urged the parents to nurture the talents of their children rather than hiding them from the world.
Manipur da lariba organization singsina thidraba hangudraba matingdo lawrudragadi kanasu laoe aigi paisa khar puthokudu natte aigi wakhalgi chenbi langbi riba singsina adi maduda share tawraga adi mating pangido adusu achoba contribution amane.
All Manipur selected 2,000 candidates. Police Constable 2013 batch called off the 48-hour shutdown on the two national highways connecting Manipur, which was supposed to be begin from 10 July today. The decision came after their posting notification was issued last night by the government. Speaking at a press meet at Press Club Imphal, president of the group, A. Binoy urged the government not to demotivate the educated youths in the future.
Like Sukia Hairabana Hasingi, Punsida, Matam Sangna, interview Mabu, Namzandana Tambiri Matunga di Amona, Palibo government, any government at Tropomatam, the Taboxibu Yamna, regulated Nina, have the Tabo Amabu, Matam Sangna, Queen and Namzandana, Loisan Bibo, Oibu, Hinasu Aina, I quick side, Tiki Amadi, Singi, Sinau side, Tiki, Amkahana, Mediagi Tung the Punduxe.
The Sanamahi Inat Lining Loina Silon Apunba Loop Silan observed its third foundation day at lamjingbatomtv Palace compound in Imphal today. Art and Culture Minister L. Jayantakumar, top leaders of Silat and Ningthemjau and Pradhan of Lairongthel Ningjel Gram Panchayat P. Kumar Maite were the main guests on the occasion. Minister L. Jayantakumar said the organization was founded in 2016 with an aim to promote and preserve Sanamahi faith.
Tradition, culture, dharma, philosophy, in any form, more convey, but I Nigeria Silan. Now, on the video, Makaki, a coily Jeremy Makal portions in Mongdana, can never get a Matani Adana, Jaga Jaga in Manipur, Jaga, Makta Manipur, Wamada, Satana, Sayuba, Sayishina, Manipur, Makal portion, the previous year, Asumatim Masi, Naya Masumasi, 2 years in a way.
Now we are heading to another short break, but do stay tuned for more updates.
Nationwide #1 oirakliba UNI Consultancy Private Limited na lowest package ta security amadi local guarantor piduna India ge khanaba state singda NRI quota da MBBS tamnaba amadi foreign countries singda MBBS tamnaba gi pandam da SBI gi on campus educational loan da natna lupa lakh amaga listing nimpu scholarship su second semester dagi semester khuding maki phanghangani free year ticket na traga lupa listing nimpu banga gi relaxation gi damak ngasi mag youth library club uripok polem laikai gi mayok na badalai ba corporate office ta lak piduna ngasi mag contact you hena kupamarol gidama contact tobiru 7050925567 amasung 9007778647 aikogi website www.247ununi.com.
Welcome back. Disaster Management Institute Relief and Disaster Management Department of Manipur Government today conducted a one-day training program on disaster management at Chawema Higher Secondary School, Thobal. Mock drills on emergency situation like earthquakes, floods were displayed during the program. Sub-team officer cum commander of State Disaster Response Force Manipur O. Achoba stressed on the importance of the event since Manipur is located in the high seismic zone. He added such training program will be held at 20 different schools in the state starting from 4th of April this year. Today's training program was attended by Principal of Chawema Higher Secondary School, L. Damodar and others. A 13-year-old boy died of suspected drug overdose at Lilong Arapti Iril River bank today. The deceased minor, son of Muhammad Faljur Rahman, is said to be resident of Thoubal Moijing. According to a police report, some locals saw the boy along with two of his friends around 10:30 this morning. Police found the body near the river bank. A syringe and some other items were found at the spot. The body will be handed over to the family after post-mortem in Jennings morgue, police sources inform. His two friends are also to be juveniles. JC against the forceful eviction at the Tarung Gaigulang today launched an indefinite sit-in protest against the act of the Forest Department evicting some houses and shops located at the roadside of Tarung Guigailong within Langol of Imphal West yesterday. They demanded the state government and its related department to take immediate steps for the reconstruction of the dismantled houses and shops. The protesters warned they will take up intense agitation by consulting the different social organizations of both hills and valley if their demands are not met. The Kuki Students Organization Southern Hills strongly condemned the killing of Pu Thangnyao Kipgen, chief of Henjang village, Kangpokpe district, and Thangmilun Haukip while traveling in a private vehicle by unidentified gunmen. KSO in their press release stated that such heinous act towards civilian is highly condemnable. Everything can be solved through dialogue, and such antisocial activities only disturb the peaceful environment of the society. An appeal to those involved in the murder to spell out the reason of their action at the earliest. The second wave of the flash flood has hit the Siang Valley in Arunachal Pradesh and bordering district of Dhemaji in North Assam, as the region has witnessed heavy downpour for the last couple of days. Incessant shower for the last 3 days has been affecting normal life of the local residents and creating hardship to the commuters. Rainwaters also filled the low-lying areas and inundated human habitats at Pasigat, Ruskin in Arunachal Pradesh, and Jonai in Assam. Rivers and perennial streams of Siang region are swelling due to heavy rains in the upper reaches of Arunachal's hills areas and created floods in the Assam-Arunachal boundary area. Overflowing water of Jonai and Sele rivers destroyed the standing paddy crops and vegetable gardens and other plantations on its both sides at Torazan and Mohamara areas, leaving a trail of devastation. And now let's move on newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, Siam's of Northeast states to protest if CAB is brought again, can do. Over 500 militants killed in last 5 years in Northeast. Financial powers rules set for revision. Drugs worth rupees 35 lakhs seized. The People's Chronicle, schools turns timber depot, class shifts to waiting set. Radisam inspect educational institutes. 2 in 3 schools have power. 5 any states in bottom 10. Police AR recover arms cats, ejector still at large. Local MLA responsible for Napsa Rice Row, contractor. Deposit to contractor unreasonable. Mid-flies ethic urges government to protect rights defenders. Imphal Free Press. NIA court issues non-violable warrant of arrest against 2 in ambush case. River falling. Upstream astounds many. Forest officials, police evict 14 shops in Langol area, shop owners cry foul. Students' body attempt to back MOBC hostel. The Morning Bell. LGP, JSC Kurai begin war words over missing Napsa rice quota. Inherent flaw in distribution system of fertilizers, Jugindro. Eviction begins at Guiguailong area, about 14 shops vandalized. Locals protest harassment against women vendor.
Before we close, let's see the top stories once again. Politician I am Kader escapes from police custody. Massive manhunt launch. Manipur CM launches fair price of FPS automation system. And child-friendly police stations open at Thoubal district. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.